Multiple reasons to be healthy. Everyone have their own goal. Some think about feeling better, some think about looking better, losing weight, gaining muscle. There are so many reasons to be healthy. But the one most important reason to be healthy is what I'm going to discuss today. It's to improve your health span. So what's the difference between health span and lifespan? Lifespan is the total number of years you live, whereas the health span is the number of years you are healthy. These are the years where you can still use your body to move, run, lift, play around, play with the family, play with kids. With improved technology and advanced medicine, people are living longer and longer. But longer life only matters if you have good health all the way till end. Meaning if you have a good health span. In other words, who wants to live 100 if you spend last 10 to 15 years of your life unable to walk or do your everyday activity or lying in a hospital bed? If you want to live healthy and active life until you die, then you need to start taking steps to improve your health span. The sooner you start, better it is. With what we know now about improving your overall health, it is possible to have health span that lasts well into your 80s and 90s. So how do you improve your health span? There is no magic pill for improving health span. There is not one single thing that you can do on everyday basis that will improve your health span. You have to start by improving your overall lifestyle. Here are the 6 basic things you can incorporate in your lifestyle to improve your health span. And these are all doable things, very basic things. Number 1. Regular exercise, including cardio and weightlifting. Cardio keeps your heart healthy and weightlifting keeps you strong and active for a long time. Number 2, proper sleep hygiene. There is no replacement for sleep. Sleep is essential for recovery, mental health, and multiple other things in our body. Number 3, eat nutritionally dense food and try to be little calorie deficit. You can even try intermittent fasting. Eating nutritionally dense food will help get most of your vitamins and minerals that are needed for hundreds of enzymatic processes in our body. The next one is take vitamins. Bridge the nutritional gap by taking multivitamin. There are certain vitamins that you will not get from your diet. So you want to replace that with taking good multivitamin. The next one is the gut health. The gut is the root cause of a lot of things that happens in our body. Gut can affect your mental health too. So make sure you improve your gut health. Take some prebiotic, postbiotic, eat fiber-rich food and take some fiber on daily basis. And the last one is to improve your mental health. Have friends, talk to your family member. Make sure you keep your mental health healthy because mental health is needed for your physical well-being too. So these are some basic steps you can do on everyday basis that will help you improve your health span. Make sure you think about improving your health span when you are thinking about being healthy on daily basis. If you have any question, write in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.